In 2026, we are drowning in a sea of disposable tech, gadgets designed to fail, to be replaced, to perpetuate a cycle of consumption and frustration. But every so often, a piece of equipment emerges from the noise, an outlier, built with a different philosophy. The BLUEAIR Room Humidifier DreamWell is one such exception. Consider your morning. Most humidifiers are a source of agitation, leaving behind a fine white dust on every surface, demanding constant refilling or emitting a gurgling symphony that shatters your calm. The DreamWell, with its invisible mist technology, bypasses this entire nightmare. No visible mist, no residue, meaning your surfaces stay pristine. And its unique water route engineering ensures a whisper-silent operation, eliminating those infuriating drips and gurgles. That is not a breakthrough, it is simply the standard. Imagine the minutes you reclaim each morning, not spent wiping down furniture, not interrupted by noise, just calm, uninterrupted productivity. Pick it up. The housing is not some flimsy, injection-molded plastic. There is a reassuring, dense heft to it, a solid composite that speaks of durability. The internal tank, robust and engineered for effortless cleaning, resists the common pitfalls of cheaper materials. This unit is designed to prevent premature failure, to endure not just one season, but decade after decade of reliable service, ensuring you avoid the headache and expense of frequent replacements. Now, if I had one minor quibble, and it is a minor one, it is this. The physical controls on the unit itself are, shall we say, minimalist, subtly encouraging you towards the companion application for more granular adjustments. But frankly, when the core function, the silent, invisible humidification, is executed with such uncompromising quality, such a detail quickly becomes irrelevant. As always, Amazon prices on high-demand, well-engineered items like this fluctuate with a relentless unpredictability. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.